Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat accounts. After you open up your WeChat, click on me right here. Then click on Pay and Services. Pay and Services. Then go ahead and click on Balance. Then go ahead and click on Register for FPS. Then you have three options right here. You can either register with your WeChat number or your email address or your FPS identifier. So choose any of the three options that is available for you. Once you choose any of the options right here, if you want to use your WeChat number, click on Register FPS right here. Please complete your identity verification to use FPS and other features. Click on Verify now, and you'll be taken to wherever you will need to verify your identity with your international passport. Allow everything to load up right here. Then you are here. So you have four stages here. First stage here, enter your WeChat number. Get a so first stage right here, enter your WeChat number. Click on Send Code. Once you get a receive code, enter the code here and hit on Submit. Then you proceed to the where you need to link your bank card and after linking your bank card, you will be taken to where you will need to do a selfie of your identity, and lastly, upload your international passport for a review. Once you submit everything, next thing you need to do is to wait for next 24 hours for fully confirmation and successful register of FPS into your WeChat Hong Kong wallet. Once you are done with this particular registration with FPS, from there, you can start receiving funds from WeChat Hong Kong FPS transfer, and at the same time, you can as well transfer money from your WeChat Hong Kong account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat wallet like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.